Alright, boys, what is good? I have not been active so far this week, but we'll jump straight into how I have sort of come to the conclusion that this is the trade of the day. And I'm not taking this in live markets because it's tweaking my strategy, and it's just not a straightforward trade. So I've sort of come to realize over this past week that the charts all move together, and whether that be EJ, GJ, GU, EU, AU, they all move seriously similarly. So coming into the day, my analysis started on GU, where we have serious imbalances here. We're overextended, and we need to come down and fill in this price action. So my ideal move for the day on GU is going to be shorts, and EU's the exact same. We're seriously overextended. I want to see shorts. We've swept out this high, and so it's sort of like I would just be looking for shorts now if I was to be trading EU. GU, we never came and swept out those highs, but the bias is still going to be the same because of just the imbalances and what the charts are doing at the time. Now, this is what we were looking at on EJ coming into the day, and it was just disgusting. You can see there's not a lot of direction. During pre-market, we sort of tested this imbalance here and then rejected it. We also swept this hourly high, rejected it. And so I was either, like, if I was to be just following my strategy to a T today, I would have been looking for a long off of this liquidity sweep here, or liquidity sweep, and looking for longs. Now, I could have technically justified that coming in on GU. I could have said, oh, we need to come sweep out these highs up here, so it's valid for us to go bullish. However, the fact that EU has already come and swept out those highs, it sort of makes it an invalid analysis, or in my opinion. So where this bearish little thing has come from is obviously if there's no reason for us to further go bullish on any of the things. We've already come in, we've filled in this imbalance, we've started to get legs down. There's no reason for us to come back up and count this as a liquidity sweep to come take out these imbalances when every single pair is showing signs of bearish. And especially on EU, I think the thing that confirmed it was that this liquidity sweep up here, that was really the thing that helped me stick with that bearish bias. So with that in mind, my opening confluence for the day is this 1 hour bearish fair value gap here. Usually I wouldn't take into account pre-market opening confluences. However, today it's just an absolute clear because everything's going bearish. We've already made that movement, and then I'm looking at this. Where's the entry? It's off of this equilibrium sort of play here. We come up, fill an equilibrium, and then we get this break of structure on, or not a break of structure, but we actually inverse this fair value gap here. That's sort of the confirmation that we're going to go bearish. Entries off of this candlestick here. Now, because this is such a valid analysis, I probably wouldn't have even put stops up there. I would have just put them possibly there, cut it a bit tighter, and TP1, you could knock some of your position off there for a terrible risk to reward, but it's always an option. The ideal draws on the day is going to be these hourly lows over here, and then EJ, you're just seeing the exact same sort of things. We moved completely in sync. We came in, filled in equilibrium, and then got a confirmation candlestick off. So that's sort of what I was looking at today. Once again, you'd be taking shorts down to these hourly lows. But that is my analysis for the day. Very different. I haven't been uploading because I've just been spending so much time trying to refine my strategy and really diving into the sort of depths of Forex and just trying to understand how all these pairs are moving together. I think I did a really good job of that today. As seen, if I'd entered there, I could have even put stops just above that high. But I actually avoided a trade last night that would have lost due to sort of these analysis, and yeah, going to see a lot more of these because I think this is the main basis of what my trading is going to be on from now on, because it's actually helping me understand the markets a lot more. I mean, this morning I would have been having to look at this as a bullish move, and I probably I could have entered a long position off of this little imbalance and rejection here. However, when everything's pointing bearish, I was able to sort of see that and analyze it, and I could have actually caught a trade in the other direction. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. Good luck in the charts today, gang. Hope this gave you a little bit of an insight into what I'm looking into. Love.